what's up, beauties? It's Tykina, and I'm back with another video on Halloween. If you don't know what I am a pumpkin, and this look was recreated. That's something I found on Pinterest by the Instagrammer Yalitz Amon. So that's definitely where I got this idea from, and I wanted to recreate this look, and this is what this video is all about. Definitely keep on watching. Really great tutorial, very easy to achieve this look. Can't miss out on it. Keep watching. See ya. Alright, so the gang's all here. Hey everybody, what's ooh. Alright, the gang's all here. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tykina Beauty. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If it's not, welcome back. I'm here with a makeup tutorial. I found a Pinterest picture of a makeup tutorial I want to do. I want to do it on my twist, but definitely want to do it. I think it's really great. I'm trying it right now. I'm so excited. I think the colors are pretty simple, pretty easy. I think anyone can do it, so let's give it a shot. But let's get started. Gonna need lots of this. First, I'm going to start off with brows. I'm going to do the eye look first. This is going to be lots of black. So I'm taking my Pro palette for this look. I did all my brushes. I need like a basket. All this stuff. Going in with that black, the Lorac. Oh, I should go in with the brows first. Brows are gonna be very black. Black. I'm gonna go in with my old Kiki Milano mascara. I'm just taking jam and I'm just putting it everywhere on my face. I want to start off with a powder, and jam is what I'm going to start with. I'm concealing in these spots if needed. I wish I had fake lashes. I just need to have some handy on me. That's what I'm gonna do. Highlight. Ooh, okay. Bam.
I feel like I'm on Jersey Shore. And we're almost done with the look. I think a nice black hair color wig would be so cute to pull off this look. And there we have the look. Ultra appropriating, it's super cute, easy. The things I bought here, $3.99 for the black and white makeup. And I use my Lorac Pro, you know, you can use an easy basic eyeshadow and use a orange from any palette. Definitely easy look. Like it a lot. Wow, looks really true. Is coming on this. This is super cute. So glad I decided to do this. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. There will be more makeup tutorials coming soon for Halloween. I'm super excited. You guys keep on watching. Oh, and in my next giveaway, I will be giving away NARS lipsticks. NARS lipsticks, I love them a lot. I've been using them ever since I started out with makeup when I was younger in high school, and I was like, why don't I just give those away? They're classics, and it's a hint to what my Halloween costume is. So yes, I'm giving away all the makeup that I will be using in my Halloween costume. I cannot wait to show you guys that. That's going to be super exciting.
So I'm excited. Sorry, you guys. But thanks so much for watching and supporting. See you in my next video, guys. See you later. Bye. Peace, love, and happiness.